Hello everybody, thank you for joining. Today I'm going to be replacing, what is it?
The cabin air filter.
Cabin air filter. Let's get started.
Okay, this is for 2017 Ford Fusion or anything that's similar with the Lincoln MKZ, or I don't know what years these were, 2013 through the latest one. The Wix filter number is WP10084. Cabin air filter is in the dashboard. What we're going to be doing is taking out the glove box in this area to get to it. It's been a while since I've done this, so I may have to experiment a little bit along the way to figure out what I got to remove. But this is essentially the filter we're replacing. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to take out this side piece. You can do this with probably a screwdriver, but I'm going to use, since I have a kit for interior parts, I'm just going to use this. This just pops out. Find out where it is, just take it easy, especially with older ones. You don't want to break this. Those are the tabs. And one more, it's going to be stubborn. Very stubborn. There he goes. Alright, so these tabs, you don't want to lose these. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, this is one here. And there's 2 here. I don't think there's any tabs for those. There is not. So we got all the white tabs. That's the first thing. Next. Oh, it's been a while since I've done this. This thing's tabs that pull out. This comes out. I think this comes out next. There's any screws for this. Same tabs on this. Just be careful pulling it out. Take your time. One more. There it goes. All right, now the whole point of doing all that is to get to these screws to get the glove box out. This piece back here is where our cabin air filter is. Now I'm going to switch over to tools. We have, it looks like an 8mm. Could be wrong. Yeah, it's smaller. Let's go down to 7. There's 7s. Supposed to replace these every year. It's been a few years since I've done mine. Mainly the reason why I don't is because of how difficult it is to get to them. And I believe there's more holding this on. These have clips as well. Little harder ones though. What other tools I got in here to help? There we go. This can come out. This is an old wire that needs to come out while we're in here. Alright. I may be missing a screw holding this. It seems like it's coming out awfully hard. Take a look underneath. Yes, there's screws underneath. 1, 2. Different size. 8s. Oh, no, wrong ones. 7s. We got airbag screws down here too. Oh, this one. Tight spot. Better give me the camera. I'll show everyone where I am or where I'm going. So in here, there's a couple screws. There's this one and there's this one. This one's for the airbag. This one here is one we're taking out, and there is another one on the other side. Another one on the other
it's
side.
upside down.
Sorry.
I hope it wasn't upside down before.
No, it's fine. Okay, here's this one. Get to it. I don't want the screw to fall out somewhere. It's gonna give me a hard time.
This is where
Alright, get the other one. It's gonna come out with a glove box. This is kind of tight working spaces. I'll say that. There's that one. There's another one over here. Is that harder to get to? So, there's 4 screws holding the glove box in, along with the snaps. Take this off. Get this out the rest of the way. There we go. Now, it comes out much easier. Get back up.
it's a lot of time.
Yeah, it takes a little time. But this is what you need to do to get it out. This too has clips. So there, the glove box is out. You can remove the light. So you're not going to stretch the wires. Some clips. Now, everything's out in here. It's kind of tight. Let me bring it over so people see. Alright, so we're in here with the glove box out. You got your HVAC blower motor, and right above it, this is where I gotta get a screwdriver. 2 Phillips screws hold in this door. You pull that door out and that's where a filter is. So, go for a walk into the garage and get a Phillips screwdriver since I did not bring one with me. And it's a small one. We'll just use this one right here should do. Okay, take control of the camera again. We'll drop it.
Yeah. Oh, it's on AEF lock. What does that mean?
Autofocus block. Alright. It's tough doing this in the seat, folks. I gotta get down here. I can't see up there. But we're gonna take those 2 screws off that I was just showing you.
It's a lot of work just to do it.
Yeah, it is. This is why I don't do this every year. And I'm going by memory. It's been 3 years since I've replaced this. Actually, it's been 4. It's been a while. So now that I do it now, it's probably going to be the last time it gets done. But if you have one in your car, it's starting to smell a little bit, or you just don't have the proper flow, you may want to look at replacing. These screws are being very stubborn. Just be careful, guys, though. Don't let it fall down behind the dash, because it would be unpleasant. You could replace them, but then you might have a rattle. doesn't want to come out. Yeah. I don't know why. Okay. There it is. Now in this, the door should flip down. Why is it not flipping it? Oh, there's a tab in the end. Alright, tab pull. There we go. And in here, rather tightly, sits a cabin air filter, and it is pretty dirty.
Wow, that is good.
In fact, it's not even installed right. So I made a mistake putting it in last time. Must have hit something going in. But it looks to me that I'm glad we're replacing this. Okay. See if we can get this one to go in right. Seems to be catching on something in there. There it goes. This one's in better. Alright. And that's it. And it's just a reverse putting it back together. So when you're opening up the door to replace the filter, there is a tab over on the far left hand side you have to pull out while you're opening the door. Just keep that in mind. This is an airbag right here, Josh. The knee airbag. Alright, don't forget to put your what's this something I missed here? I don't have the clip. There it is. Make sure you have all your clips. I almost missed mine. And don't forget to put your light back in.
This is a lot of time. Just
It's a lot of stuff. Then we're gonna
a lot of effort.
line up your clips. Clips are in, and we're going to screw your glove box back in. 4 screws, remember. Up here. These clips aren't in all the way over here. There they are. Awkward positions to be in if you're a tall person.
We almost done.
Yeah. In fact, you can stop recording if you want now. This is nothing more than just putting the rest of the pieces in that we took out.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.